Yes, good evening, good morning, everyone. My name is Marina Shen, and my topic today is exploring CRM, customer relationship management involving digital era for Generation X. Sorry. And it is my content. And also, I want to start with introductions. And customer relationship management market size is increasing years by years. It shows that they have 90% of companies have deployed a CRM systems in their organizations nowadays. And also in the digital era, omni-channel is a new trend. What is omni-channel? Omni-channels means that the companies use different channels to interact with their customers. As you can see in this graph, that customer are using email, SMS, mobile message, or face-to-face to their customers. And that's why omni-channel, the new digital era trend, will be definitely affect customer relationship management, CRM. So CRM need to change, but how? Now I'm talking about my literature review. And from the previous scholar, I can find two trends in retail industries, from single to multi, cross to omni-channels. So what is omni-channels? For examples, that when you are in your house, you want to shopping, you are using VR to shopping online, and you can see the 360 degree of all the whole project, just like you are shopping in the physical store. And when you are shopping in the physical store, you can use your cell phone to scan the QR code and just pay online, and also maybe sell the object back to your home. No matter what channel you are using, you are have the consistency experience through these across these channels. And the CRM strategies. This conceptual framework for CRM strategy, I want to focus on multi-channel integration process, because also I want to know the omni-channel CRM. So in this process, they have two key questions and six issues that help me to construct my papers. And why I want to focusing on Generation X, because Generation X is the age from 40 to 60s age people. And this age people is very special when they are born in the physical world. However, when they are graduate from college, the digital world came into their lives. So they are the generation that both familiar with the physical and also the digital world. And you can see in this table, Taiwanese generation as are the highest generation are watching TV, but also they are very like to join the culture and creative activities, like go to the cinemas, go to the musician, or go to the art gallery. So next part is methodology. I use the case study method and also online questionnaire. And how to choose my case, my select criteria is, first one, you need to value CRM. Second, you need to committing omni-channel strategy. And the third one, it need to be a cultural and creative enterprise. That's why I choose SD Spectrum. SD Spectrum is a bookstore originally, and however, in nowadays it transformed to a cultural and creative department store. It contains a restaurant and also hotel and bookstore and cafe, many things in this department. And the second one, it is an omni-channel platform. It launched their new SC.com in 2020 and also launched a new app last year. And the third one is also very valuable membership systems. And it has 2.5 million members, and it have white card, gold card, and also black card membership. And also on their business report, they already say that they are an omni-channel platform. So how I designed my online questionnaire, my purpose is want to understand the white, gold, black card members' behavior and needs. and I designed my questionnaire into 4 parts. In first part, I want to know the general information, especially for your lifestyles. Lifestyles may be based on many types of variables, but in this research, I will only analyze the lifestyle based on the values, and these are 11 values that I shows in my questionnaire. And part 1, I want to know the spectrum customer satisfactions. In this graph figures, you can see there are many perspectives to know CRM, but I only see CRM from customer side. So I will want to know the customer satisfactions. And there are 5 components: reliability, empathy, responsiveness, tangibles, and assurance. And also in part 2, I want to know the omni-channel usage habits and also satisfactions. And there are all the channels that SD Spectrum use nowadays. And I will use these 5 level satisfactions to give the score to these whole channels. Higher scores mean higher satisfaction. And in the third part, I want to use the app usability. And in this scholar proposed a customer-oriented brand app usability scale and want to know the relation between users and brand. It is suitable to my CRM. And it has 5 components, including user-friendliness, personalization, speed, font, and omnipresence. So it is my result and discussions. And I get 260 from Taiwanese response, and all these people have experienced shopping in aesthetic spectrum, and 30 of them are Generation X. Generation X value themselves as self-directed and also benevolence. And also in part 1, we can see that Generation X are more dissatisfied with empathy and responsiveness of athletes service compared to other factors. And it need what athlete provide now is not satisfied in the tangibles and responsiveness factor is not satisfied with Generation X. In the part 2, we can see that most of the people are familiar with the physical store, app, and website, and also social media. However, compared to Generation X, they only familiar with the physical store, but they are not using. Half of them are not using app, website, and social media. However, they are using physical and online news and magazine. And in the third part, we can see that Generation X has more dissatisfied with the personalizations and speed of aesthetic app service compared to other app usability factors. And the 2 factors, font and omnipresence aesthetics now present is especially not suitable to Generation X. Okay, and then now it's come to my conclusions. And based on the all finding from my data, and we can know that Generation X is used to traditional channel and media, but also engage in acquire their information online and also physical. But it's lack of the customer relationship management, including the customized service and also lack of innovation, exhibit and service. And Generation X is pursued interesting and omnipresent app service, but also want the service is suitable to their need and is customized to them. Okay, and it is my reference and is end of my presenting. Thank you for listening.